So welcome to all of you in video beside me. In this video I'm going to explain about the configuration of extended access list. In my last video I have explained about the standard access list, and in this video I will explain about the extended. So as in the standard access list, filtration can be done only on the base of source IP, but extended access list can evaluate many other field in the layer 3 as well as layer 4 header of the IP packet. Standard can evaluate only on the base of source IP, means only on the layer 3 header, and that is the source IP. But extended can work on the layer 3 as well as layer 4. So they can evaluate source destination as well as destination IP address, and then at the layer 4 it can also evaluate layer 3 header also, different protocol, as well as layer 4 means transport layer header it can also evaluate. So this gives the extended access list to make much more fine granular decisions. Like in case of standard access list, we did in the previous practical, if we block this machine from this network with the help of standard access list, then this machine will not be able to do anything, neither ping, neither HTTP access, everything get blocked. But with the help of access list, what we can do, that this machine if try to ping, then it is blocked, but if it trying to access the web server here, then it is allowed. Got it, na? So we can evaluate, means ping or HTTP server. If it trying to access the HTTP port number 80, then allowed. If it try to ping or try to do telnet anything, then it is blocked. So let's start the practical scenario. Again the same topology. So in the last video I have configured the standard access list here. Let's check. I think same access list still available here. Still I don't remove that. Enable show access list. Yes, still exists here. And we do that, we deny the 11.2 machine to ping from the 13 network. Let's check that still it's working. Command prompt ping. It's able to ping another machines, but ping 13.0.3, that is my web server, destination host is unreachable. So now on the same I have to configure the extended. My task that this machine should not be able to ping this particular machine only, but should be able to access the web server, means it will be able to access 80 port number here on this machine, but should not be able to ping. Remain this machine should be able to ping all other machines here also and here also. So let's start. So first we need to remove the previous access list. So let's come here and conf t. So if you remember, to remove any of the configuration we should use the negate command. Means to configure the access list we use the command access list 10 deny host or 11.0.0.2. In my last example I have shown you like this, 0.0.0.0 for a specific host, but now the same I have also shown you, we can also use the word host. Both command do the same thing. So now check show access list 10. It exists. Why so? Show. Oh sorry, I don't use the no command, na. Go to conf t, I use this command. So to negate this command we have to use prefix no here. Now check show access list. No exist here. You can check the show access list 10. No access list. To verify more show running on the fast Ethernet port. So we have to remove it from here also. So conf t interface fast Ethernet 0/0 no IP access group 10. Sorry, that was in the outbound direction out. Now again check it. It has been removed. To verify, now check it again. Command prompt. Initially when this command access list exists, it was not able to ping there, but now check. Just wait, it should ping now because I have removed the access list. Yes, now it is able to ping because we have removed the access list. Now access is open from this machine to this particular network. Okay, now start with the extended access list. So it is my source. This machine should not be able to do the ping here, but should be able to do the HTTP access 80 port number. So naturally I have to consider source as well as destination, means this particular machine. It should be able to ping here but should not be able to ping on this machine. So and also include the layer 4 protocol, means if it is coming for the access of 80 port number. So it's the extended access list. So according to the rules or facts that I have told you, extended should be near to the source. So this is my source. So extended we have configured here. We need to configure on this so that this particular net packet does not flow unnecessarily here, when we can take all the decision here. Layer 3 as well as layer 4 decision we can take on the source side. So let's start that. Standardized format for the extended access list. First is the same command access list, then number. If you remember, the number for the extended access list varies from 100 to 199. After that condition, then which protocol you want to block, means backend, transporter, then means TCP, UDP or ICMP. Then source destination mask and destination mask, then which particular service you want to block. Okay, let's do it practically, no problem. Come here. So start configuration here. As we have to configure the extended, so we are working on the near to the source. Conf t. So the syntax is access list. Look here. Now we have to configure the extended, so number should be between 1 to 199. Okay, I give the 100. Next, what do you want to do? Either want to deny or want to permit. I want to deny. Then which particular protocol you want to block? I want to block ping. According to my task, that machine should not be able to ping. So backend transporter for the ping is, which is protocol working behind the ping, is ICMP. So ICMP. Okay. Then source IP. Source IP is 0.0.2 and same wildcard mask as I have explained you previous. Then destination. What is the destination here? This particular server only. This particular server is my destination and this is the source. So I want to block from here. Okay, so come 13.0.0.3, same 0.0.0.0. I want to block entire 13 network, or I want to block a single machine. Same wildcard concept that I have explained you in the OSPF as well as in the standard access scenario also. Okay. Then this is the protocol. Here can be TCP also depending on the requirement. Here can be UDP also depending on the requirement. So, but now I want to block the ping. So ping is basically eco service. If you know about detail of ping is basically eco service. So according to me, I have to block ping only, so I block the eco service. Or check it here. Sorry, look here. Because I have given the option of ICMP, so it is giving me the different messages that I can configure here. Suppose I will show you that also. If I move here and give the option of TCP, then at the end what option it gives to me? Look here, what I want to block on the base of TCP. These are the different packets. Suppose equal to, look here, I want to block FTP, I want to block, or any of the port number I can use here. Like if block 80 number, then this machine will not be able to do the web access also. I will show you that also, no problem. First I want to block ping. So ICMP and service here echo. Okay, done. So same rule, there must be, my problem was with this machine to do the ping here. So I have done that. As of the universal fact, there must be one permit statement, access list 100, permit all IP based service should be allowed, source any and destination any. Got it. So we have configure the access list, show access list. So 100 access list has been configured. So number 10, this is the permit deny 11.2 to ping from the this, remain everything is permitted. Now we have created the access list, same concept. Now we need to implement on a specific interface. So if we think all the facts, it should be near to the source. So this is a source machine. Then we can take the decision on this interface. Why we go up to here outbound interface? Okay, na? So we will configure it on the first. As soon as packet reach here, it will compare it with the access list and take the decision. So interface. First go to configuration mode, then interface, fast Ethernet 0/0 IP access group. What is the number? 100. Now it should be in or it should be out. Good question. No? It should be in. As soon as packet enters here. So why I put the unnecessary load on the router to take the decision in this direction or in this direction? Because standard extended access list can check source as well as destination. I have given the destination this particular server, so it will compare. It will compare here. Is the destination 13.3? Yes, then block it. If any other destination either going toward this, or if destination is anyone else connected here, so we will put it here. So it should be inbound. As soon as packet enter the router, it will compare against the access list. So I will put it in the in direction. Perhaps you have done. What was our basic job? Try to ping 13.3, not reachable. But all other IP services is allowed. 13.0.0.3. Done. We have done. Now only ping service is blocked. Remain everything is allowed. So in this way the standard access list is not so much efficient whatever task we can do with the help of extended access list. So this was a very basic scenario that I have discussed. Remain using the same topology, we can do many things. Suppose one more scenario I want to do here. I want to just discuss with you. You can design the same topology and can check it practically also. Suppose I want to block. Suppose I just look here. Now this machine able to ping here, na? Ping 13.0.0.3. Yes, able to ping. Change the scenario. Think about one new scenario that none of the machine should be able to ping this, but all the machines should be able to use the HTTP server. Then where we need to implement it? Where we need to implement it? Naturally, this is also the source, this is also the source. So this particular interface is near to the source. So we will configure in that condition. Scenario entire change. Now this all is the source. Can be many more network connected here. So this will be the interface that is near to the source. So we will configure on this router and on this interface in outbound direction. When packet going toward this side, then it should be blocked. If going toward any other side, then it should not be blocked. Okay. So in this way we can configure access list in many ways. What is our source, whatever our destination, we have to take very close look on all that scenario. As in front of you, I have told you the practically. If only this machine is the source, then we will configure it here. But if I want to block entire network this, then the router, on this router we will configure the extended access list. Okay.